boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have CKay here and featuring MAYRA Andrade. I believe she is a singer from Cape Verde or so. I'm not sure there, but yeah, anyway, a great collaboration there with the song called Samson and Delilah. So we have this chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song with a simple strumming pattern. Let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this, so we will look at these four chords, starting with the G minor. That's a bar chord here, so we need to set a bar on the 3rd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. Next chord will be A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have D minor next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. That's the only difference from D minor. That's the 2nd E. And there, so there we have the chord progression: G minor, A, D minor, D. Really like this chord progression, sounds cool. Anyway, let's look at this strumming pattern, and we need to divide this one into 2 different parts because we're gonna split it between chords. So we're gonna look at 1 full round with the G minor. That's the 1st chord. So 1 full round of the strumming will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so like this. So the first part will be down, down, up. So that's the first part. Down, down, up. And then the second part will be clap, down, up. So clap, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. A couple of rounds of this so you get the idea of how it sounds together. Will be like this. So with that, we're gonna look at the chord progression and the strumming rounds. So we're gonna start with the G minor. You're gonna play 1 full round plus part 1. So that will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. That's 1 full round plus down, down, up. Okay, and then you shift to A and play just the part 1. So again, down, down, up. And then you shift to D minor and play in the same way as you play the G minor, 1 full round plus part 1. And then you end with the D and play just part 1, the down, down, up. So slowly, it will be with the G minor, 1 plus part 1, A, part 1, then D minor, 1 plus part 1, and D, part 1, like this. That's what's going on through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys. Samson and Delilah. Until next time, play tuned.